In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to attach a document to Gmail. Whether you're new to Gmail or just need a refresher, this guide will walk you through the process with ease and clarity. So let's get started. First, navigate to your web browser and open it up. In the address bar, type in gmail.com and press enter. This will take you to the Gmail login page. If you're already logged in, you'll be directed to your inbox. If not, go ahead and enter your email address, followed by your password to sign in. Once you're in your Gmail account, take a look at the top left-hand side of the screen. You should see a button labeled Compose. Go ahead and click on it. A new email window will pop up in the bottom right corner of your screen. In this new email window, you'll find several fields that need to be filled out. At the top is the To field, where you should enter the email address of the person you want to send the document to. Next, there's a Subject field. It's a good idea to enter a brief but descriptive subject so that your recipient knows what to expect. For example, you could write Quarterly Report Attached or Meeting Minutes. Now, let's attach that document. At the bottom of the Compose window, you'll find a row of icons. Look for the paperclip icon, which is the universal symbol for attachments. Clicking on it will open a file browser window where you can select the document you want to attach. Navigate through your computer's folders until you find the file you wish to send. Click on the file to select it and then click the Open button. You'll see the progress of the upload at the bottom left of your email window. And once it's done, the document will appear as a file icon beneath the subject line. Before sending, double-check the body of your email. You might want to include a brief message explaining what the attachment is for or any other pertinent information. This will help provide context and facilitate better communication. Now, you're ready to send your email. Simply click the Send button located at the bottom left of your Compose window. And that's it. Your email, complete with the attached document, is now on its way to your recipient. If there are any errors or issues with sending, Gmail usually gives a prompt with tips on how to fix them, so keep an eye out for any messages. I hope this guide was helpful and made the process clear and easy for you. Don't hesitate to reach out with any questions, and happy emailing.